Good morning, students. Today start the third video of chapter 6 Lines and Angle. Third video of chapter 6 Lines and Angles. Question number 25. Question number 25. In the given figure, if angle POS plus QOS plus QOR is equal to 302 degree. Now find all four angles. Find all four angles. Now let angle POS is equal to X. POS is equal to X and QOSOQ is equal to Y. This angle is also X and this angle is also a Y. Now X plus Y plus X is equal to 302. Here writing here angle QOR is equal to angle POS equal to X, angle SOQ is equal to Y. So angle POR SOQ is equal to Y. Sum of angle POS plus angle QOS plus angle QOR is equal to 302 degree. X plus Y plus X is equal to 302. 2x plus y is equal to 302. Write down the equation 1. Write down the equation 1. And angle POS plus QOS. Angle POS and plus angle QOS is equal to 180 degree. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. Angle POS plus QOS plus QOR is equal to 302. X plus y plus x equal to 302. 2x plus y is equal to 302. Angle POS plus QOS is equal to 180 degree. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. 2x plus y equal to 302. X plus y equal to 180. Minus and sign minus here. Plus minus cancel out. Y x plus 2x minus x and 122. Putting the value of x 122 plus y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 58. Y is equal to 58 degree. So angle POS QOR is equal to x equal to 122 degree. POR plus is equal to QSOQ is equal to y is equal to 58 degree. Now various types of angles. In the adjoining figure, a transversal line T intersects two parallel lines AB and CD in PAQ respectively. Angle 1, 4, 6, 7 are called exterior angle. 2, 3, 5, 8 are called interior angle. Look at here 1, 4, 6 and 7. 1, 4, 6, 7 are called exterior angle, and 2, 3, 5, 8 are called interior angle. Now corresponding angles. The angles on the same side of a transversal are known as the corresponding angle. If both lines are either above the two lines or below the two lines. Angle 1 is equal angle 1, angle 5 are the corresponding angle. 4 and 8 are corresponding angle. 2 and 6 are corresponding, 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. Alternate interior angle. The following pairs of are called alternate interior angle. Look, angle 3, angle 5 are alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle repeated here. Angle 3, angle 5. Angle 3, angle 5 are alternate interior angle. Angle 2, angle 8 are alternate interior angle. Consecutive interior angle. Angle 2, angle 5, angle 3, angle 6. Alternate exterior angle. Angle 1, angle 7, angle 4, angle 6. Exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Given lines L1, L2 and L3 in figure are parallel, the value of x is L1, L2, L3 are parallel. Now write down this angle is y. Y is equal to x because line L1 and L3 are in parallel. L1 and L3 are in parallel. X is equal to y, and sum of the angle y plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Now y is equal to 180 minus 40 is equal to 140 degree. 140 degree. So y 140 means x 140. Again repeated here. Y is equal to x, corresponding angle y plus 40 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 40. Y is equal to 140. Now value of x is equal to y is equal to 140. Answer. Question number 5. In figure EF parallel DQ and AB parallel CD Find angle PDQ, AED and DEF. AB parallel CD. Angle AED is equal to angle CDP, corresponding angle. Angle AED is equal to 27 degree. Angle AED is equal to 27 degree. Now angle AED plus DEF plus FEB is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles in a straight line is 180 degree. 27 plus angle DEF plus 64 is equal to 180 degree. 27 plus 64 is equal to 91. 91 goes to the other side. Now angle DEF is equal to 180 minus 91 is equal to angle DEF is equal to 89 degree. Angle DEF is equal to 89 degree. So DQ parallel EF, angle PDQ is equal to angle DEF is equal to 89 degree, corresponding angles. In the figure L parallel M, and transversal T intersect at A and B, and transversal T intersect at A and B, Angle 1 ratio angle 2 is equal to 11 ratio 7. Determine all the 8 angles. Determine all the 8 angles. Angle 1 ratio angle 2 is equal to 11 ratio 7. Let angle 1 is equal to 11x, angle 2 is equal to 7x. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. 11x plus 7x equal to 180. 18x equal to 180. X equal to 180 upon 18. 18 10 180. Value of x is equal to 10. Putting the value of x, angle 1 is equal to 11x, 11 into 10 equal to 110, angle 2 is equal to 7x, 7 into 10 equal to 17. Angle 5 is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 5 is equal to angle 1 is equal to 110 corresponding angle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 270 vertically opposite. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1 vertically opposite angle. Angle 6, angle 3 70 degree corresponding angle. Angle 7, angle 5 vertically opposite angle. Angle 7, angle 5 vertically opposite. Angle 8, angle 2 is equal to 70 corresponding angle. Okay children, this video is over.